You know here, we are foiling our combine harvester. Process of foiling of combine harvester. We want to commence the harvesting of soybean now, so we are doing some foiling of the combine harvester. Here we have our bean head of the combine harvester. This is our bean head of the combine harvester, and we done with this feed yesterday. We'll be moving to another feed. We are harvesting our soybean for now. Tomorrow we'll continue with the soybean harvest, and next week we start with the corn. And this is the combine harvester. Loaded the combine. Loading our combine harvester. Loading our combine harvester.